Grace is a seed that multiplies as it's shared. When we give with a joyful heart, we reflect the overflowing generosity of a Father who has given us everything. Strength isn't the absence of pain. It's the presence of God. In our deepest weakness, His grace becomes a bridge, and His power becomes our song. We are no longer slaves to the law, but heirs of the promise. Crucified with Christ, we step out of the shadows and into a life where He is our everything. The Spirit produces what the law never could. Let the fruit of His presence grow in the garden of your life, bringing light and peace to everyone you meet. Look up. You aren't just a citizen of earth. You are seated in the heavens, chosen, adopted, and redeemed. Your identity is secure in the heart of God. Every wall of hostility has fallen. In Christ, the barriers are gone, and a new humanity is rising, one body, one spirit, and one peace that passes understanding. You are God's masterpiece, handcrafted by the Creator for a purpose only. You can fulfill, walking in the works He prepared for you before time began. The battle is real, but your protection is certain. Arm yourself with truth, righteousness, and faith, standing unshakable in the power of His might. Stand your ground with the sword of the Spirit and the power of prayer. You are more than a soldier, you are a victor in the name of the King.